In this video, I'll guide you through a beginner's tutorial on drawing heads from any angle. Whether you're just starting out or want to improve your portrait skills, this is the perfect tutorial for you. We'll uncover some simple steps that you can incorporate into your drawing process. So let's get into it.
Drawing your head straight on. Draw a simple circle to represent the head. Draw a vertical line through the center of the circle. Add a horizontal line through the circle at the midpoint. Extend the line so that the length is the same size as the horizontal line to the bottom of the circle. This line represents the brow line and typically aligned with the top of the ears. Draw another horizontal line at the bottom of the circle. This is where the mouth usually sits and is generally in line with the bottom of the ears. Add a small horizontal line at the end of the vertical line, representing the chin. From here, you can start adding the jawline, connecting it to the sides of the circle where the ears would be. Then you can draw the facial features. Check out this video on drawing eyes as a good starting point. Comment below on how your head drawings turned out. I'd love to hear how you got on. Drawing a head looking left or right. Begin with a simple circle. Draw a vertical line around the center of the circle, thinking in 3D. Add a smaller circle to the side of the main circle to represent the side of the face. Draw a vertical line through the center of that circle. The length should be twice the height from the horizontal brow line to the bottom of this circle. Add a horizontal line through the circle to indicate the brow line. Wrap this line around the head to show where the ears sit. Draw another horizontal line where the mouth sits. And then, like before, draw the jawline, connect it to the sides of that circle, and then draw the facial features. Drawing a head looking up or down. Again, draw a simple circle, add the vertical and horizontal lines as done for the side views. For a head looking up, curve the horizontal line upwards to represent the tilt of the head. For a head looking down, curve the horizontal line downwards. Adjust the vertical line to follow the curve as well. Remember that all heads conform to perspective.
So here's my top tips on drawing heads from different angles. So by tracing over photographs, you can see the underlying structure of any head and actually incorporate what you learn into your portrait drawings. Check out this video in the top right corner to help you analyze each drawing that you create. Focus on the foundations and don't rush this crucial part. Make sure the proportions and the structure is correct before going on to the details. Practice really does make perfect. So use your sketchbook wisely and draw lots of different faces from different angles to really improve your drawing skill. Always think in 3D when drawing faces. There's a side plane here, and a front plane here. Make sure you always think in 3D and also shade in 3D as well. And then lastly, make sure you draw the entire skull. So this is especially crucial from side views, but make sure you draw that whole skull, as a lot of beginners don't do this correctly. This results in wonky sort of looking portraits and doesn't make the proportions look correct. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Portrait Guru and give me a comment below with how your portrait drawings got on. I really recommend you checking out this video coming up on how to draw noses perfect for beginners. Happy drawing and see you on the next video.